Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and make sure you touch that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Good Eats with Who? She. And I'm back with another mukbang for y'all. Today I got some pho and I got the shrimp and steak. I got some onions, I got jalapenos, I got the green onions, I got the long onions, I got regular onion. I got some hoisin sauce, some sriracha, some fried chili oil, and I got my broth. And she hot. But I'm gonna get the broth inside of the bowl, and I'm gonna eat. And I got some spring rolls. You know I gotta have them with the peanut sauce. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And probably at the beginning of the video, y'all probably already gonna see it, but I'll drop the location where I get this from if you want to take it to the market area, because I always go here. But I've did plenty of videos with this place before, so y'all should know. Ooh, this thing. It's the thing for me. Ooh, the shrimps. Yes, ma'am. I bought my food earlier, and yeah. Holy, she real hot. And I'm about to get all my sauces in here because you know I love a good spice. I'm really not liking Maddie's school right now, y'all, because she been out of school for the past 2 days. Well, today made 3 because they got some leaky business going on and they need to clear it up. They just need to go ahead and clear it up. So I'm gonna go in with the hot chili oil, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put all of it because why not? Put plenty. I need all that. Step number 1. Gotta get that hot chili oil. Going in with that sriracha. Yes, ma'am. Because I like mine's red. Well, it ain't gonna be as red, but it's gonna have that spice. It's gonna have that spice in there for sure. But how everybody been? Y'all, I did really good with that last video. Even though I didn't post about me posting or anything like that, I still ended up getting 90 views. So, whoop, whoop. That's what I'm talking about. And this right here, that's some other stuff that's supposed to be spicy. I think it's that hoisin sauce or something like that. I don't know, but it's supposed to be spicy, so yeah. Yes, ma'am, press ham. Let's see if it's gonna have the spice I need. Cause I might have to go in the kitchen and give me some little salt. I don't even play with folks like that. I got the mint leaves in there. And for get the first taste. Oh no, man, what the kids are doing? Hold on, y'all, I'll be back. Oh yeah, cause them kids was up there getting rowdy. But yeah, y'all know I like me an H-E-B brand soda, 0 sugar. Got to keep it 0 sugar. Water, in case it's too spicy, but I'm gonna get the first taste. And, as y'all know, still mixing. Gotta get everything on now. I'm gonna try it with the shrimp. Okay. I said my grace off camera. Don't come for me. It don't mean nothing. It It don't need nothing now. That's so good. I forgot to tell them to give me chopsticks, so don't judge me. Next time I had this, I have permanent chopsticks that belong to me because I had some, but moving and everything else, baby, I don't got them no more. Oh my God, it got such a nice flavor with all the spices. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all hear this little fly? It needs to go and get it. It went. I'm telling you, as soon as I start recording, kids want to be loud. A random ass fly. I love my house, but I hate that I stay by these trees. Oh my God. I got a million trees in my yard. A million. And believe me when I say, oh yeah. Oh my God. So when y'all see this, today is the 30th. Today is November 30th, and by the time y'all watch this, it'll probably be the 1st or the 2nd. Because I just uploaded a video today from that I recorded, like I want to say a week or two ago already, so. I'm trying to keep the videos coming. Shout out to my kids, my boys specifically, straight A students. Ain't gonna do a good job. I didn't even go and get me no ice so I can hit a real fizz. But I'm gonna start back doing that too. Every time. It hit every time. Oh yes, ma'am. Oh. Just get into these spring rolls because I've been wanting them real bad. Never disappoint. Never disappoint y'all. This meal was enough for 2 people. I ate some, and my friend Laura ate some. You know it was good on my mama. Well, she didn't even tell me how she liked it. She didn't add no spices or nothing. She just ate hers plain. So I know hers ain't as seasoned as mine. But the bowl look like it's empty. She filled to capacity. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 I can't. Yeah. I haven't had this in so long. And I just miss it. Mm. 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 Oh my God. There's been a lot going on, y'all. And I just stay out the way and stay to myself, boo. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Shrimp. Mm. Oh my God. I got everything on this one scoop. My last shrimp. And I love that for me. Oh my God. My dog nasty. Mm. Yeah, it's so juicy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 It's so good though. Mm. Mm. This is my time. And I love doing waste, baby. Mm. 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 Yeah. I ain't considered to no plan with this food today. Because God damn it, if you think I'm playing, I'm not. Yes, ma'am. Get you a girl that can what? Eat. Ooh. Oh, Lord Jesus, excuse me. But no, for real. Ain't no salad. I eat salads too. Ain't nothing wrong with no salad eating shit, but this ain't what that. This is not that. It's so good and juicy. I got tears coming out my eyes. This is so good. I've been waiting this all day. I ate Chick-fil-A earlier. I tore it up. The old skinny me would never. I'm trying to see. But in the morning, I shouldn't even share my food with Laura. It's so good. I'm sorry, Laura. For real. You know it's all love. Ooh, but tomorrow, I don't know what I want to eat tomorrow. If y'all watch, y'all not even want to see this video until a few days tomorrow. I was going to say, y'all watch the video, comment down below what I should eat. Well, you know what? If you see this video in a few days from now, still, comment down below what y'all want me to cook. Because I know the next, I'm probably going to go buy food tomorrow. Because the weather has been crazy. And so, tonight I picked Chick-fil-A. But if my kids pick something good tomorrow, I'll record it and we'll see. And then that'll be uploaded after this one. And yeah. Oh. But I ain't done yet, y'all. I still got me some. In the cut with my friend, we be riding. Sexy bitch, and you know we outside. Yeah. Well, see, that's how you know the food was good. Because I'm over here singing and dancing and playing around for real. I want a whole, oh my God, dragon nuts. I'm gonna call it, I'm gonna kiss the little mother, because it's literally one. And it's random as hell. Open it up, Laura. Yeah, no, for real, get the hell up out of here. Shit, find you some business. That's good. My kids be going outside and leaving the damn door open. But, Isha. But, and my dog got the audacity to be sitting here. You heard that motherfucker fall one more time. How much I'll eat? I don't know. That pho was good as hell. Good as hell. That's a peanut sauce. What's that? Too. Yeah, how's that? That's how you know the Thanksgiving food was good for real. Good for real. But I'm already 19 minutes in, so bye y'all. Until next time. Y'all can always message me some topics y'all want to talk about. Ask questions y'all want, things y'all want to know about. And then when I start doing the videos, I'll just start answering them. And then let me know in the message if y'all want them to be confident, if y'all want me to say a name. I mean, y'all can spice that shit up too, because y'all know me. My mouth ain't never ever filter. So yeah, bye y'all until next time. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and watch as many videos as y'all like. Blow the videos up while I give a damn.